Today is the day we begin to learn, look through the eyes of others, and find out what experience for the world is like for them. Convivial welcome to Biking Tech, a review show that is only and only for biking and tech enthusiasts. Today, I am here to check out Harley's latest introduction to modern sports bikes and cruising family. Today, I am here with Harley Davidson Street 750. It has a Revolution X 750cc V-twin engine. Harley Davidson is an accessible cruising tool, yet a fun motorcycle to be precise. I am saying fun motorcycle, which means this bike has a lot of fun when you ride. Once you ride this bike, there will be a grin on your face. It's not a typical Harley Davidson cruiser. Street family is taken Harley Davidson into a different direction altogether. Firstly, sometimes it's a bit different from a regular Harley Davidson as it's scaled down version of Harley's V-Rod. Scaled down version of Harley's V-Rod. I mean to say a small version of V-Rod with that typical engine. It's having a higher ground clearance, better suspension for urban riding dynamics, and it's a scaled down package, which doesn't mean that on the quality front it's scaled down, but on the review front it's better. In its console, you can see that things are missing, like the tachometer, I mean to say RPM indicator, and fuel indicator, heat temperature gauge, gear indicator, and a range indicator. Basically I am talking of this meter console. This doesn't have a fuel gauge, a heat temperature, a gear indicator, as well as a tachometer, that means RPM meter. Street 750 is a Harley's 749cc 60 degree V-twin engine. That's Revolution X. First there was a V-Rod which was designed by Porsche, and now it's in contribution with some other company. And it's having a 60 Nm of torque at the rate 4000 RPM and a power output of around 50 bhps. That I mean to say 50 bhp is a mighty horsepower, which I mean to say. That's check out. Totally different from a typical Harley Davidson, but more like a scaled down engine from V-Rod series, which also means it's a Revolution engine and it's a refined engine with almost no vibrations. Even when you do its red line, even in the red line, the bike doesn't do anything. This is much refined engine and it has a lot of torque at almost all RPMs. So there is no need of frequent gear changes. Bike will be a smile on your face. Maneuvering in the city will be pleasant, but still it's a good typical Harley experience, as you can see. Talking about the specs of this machine, in length 200 and 2025 millimeters, 115/35 mm wheelbase, fuel tank capacity of 13 liters, ground clearance of around 145 mm, which means 14.5 centimeters. This is good when you maneuver through the city. And as we talk about the chassis, it has got light chassis, which basically means light chassis you can scroll in the city traffic very easily. It's got 6-speed gearbox. As you can see, 6-speed gearbox. Good feature for this bike. Right side telescopic forks in the front and twin shocks at rear. You can see. And as I maneuver through the city, bumps on this bike is a pleasure. And it will roughly give you around 18 kmpl in the city roads, and on highways around 25. You can expect not more than that because it's a Harley Davidson and it's a 750cc. So you need to do it with that. And if you buy this bike, I am sure if you buy this bike, you will be in much a pleasure with this bike. This bike creates a maneuver in the city, a grin on your face, and the typical Harley Davidson note which I am talking about is a file. The thing which I am talking about was the Harley Davidson's Revolution X V-twin sound. Let's hear that. That was I am talking about. Let's check out the sound. Let's check out the sound of it. This was the grain note which I was talking about. It's a pleasure when you ride. Let's check out this. That was the basically sound of revolution experience. The last line I would like to conclude is that this bike is a lot of fun, yet and cruising tool accessible with low rev range. I do not mean to say low, but it's constant. And even if you redline it, there is no vibes on it. No vibes. The full ride experience, which I was talking about, it is a good experience. If you buy this bike, I am there with you. This bike brings a smile on your face when you maneuver through the city. It's having a quite good angle. Good angle in the maneuvering city handle. That's basically I'm talking about. Finally, concluding the review, I would like to say that this Harley will give you a proper cruising experience and handling dynamics in such a price range that will make you bring every time you ride this motorcycle. Grain with low price, not such low, but still you can buy it in India and afford it. And when it's in your garage, your neighbors would be like you will become a superstar. That's basically I'm talking. That's what I was reviewing the bike, and now I conclude my review with the ownership experience. Let me introduce you to the owner of bikes. I took the bike. Here's Mr. Babbaljeet Bamra. He will tell you what's the story of Harley Davidson. So,
First of all, thank you for a new bike, and it was a great honor to buy this Harley Davidson Street 750. It's an amazing bike to ride on a street. It's a street sports bike. You can say all about it.
and now I would like to ask some questions from you. So basically, what was your experience on long rides with this bike?
Long rides, it's an amazing bike to cruise. It's just a cruising bike. Nothing else.
Okay. And what's your around average of this bike?
It gives you a 17 km on city, and on highways 22 and 22 and above.
Okay. So from where did you purchase the bike? Capital Harley?
Yes.
From
It
Gurgaon.
is from Capital Harley Davidson.
Gurgaon.
From Gurgaon.
Okay. So is this your bike a companion or a friend with you?
It's a friend.
Okay.
It's amazing to ride on this bike when people see you. Yes, it's going a Harley Davidson Seat 750. Check out the
they
bike.
are amazed.
Yes.
They are basically amazed. And when I took your bike for the review, 2 or 3 times shorter, the person was seeing me like I am a superstar. No, basically, if you have a Harley, you become like a superstar.
It's all about Harley Davidson.
That was from my review. Thank you for viewing Biking Tech, and please stay subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching.